ETG has changed. Look at their new showroom and check out all these new machines. If you like making chips, how about this machine? This has over 40 kilowatts in power. This is an HSK 100. This is a Bavius. So whether you're making parts, in fact, this small, or even like this one here, or in fact one this big here, the Engineering Technology Group will have a machine tool to manufacture them. All of the machines here are considered by ETG to be a cut above the rest, and that includes the Mitsubishi range of EDM machines. So it's not just machine tools that you'll be able to see here in operation in the showroom, it's also the automation that you can see behind me. There's palletization systems and 3D printing of both plastics and metallics. Of course, while you're here, you'll want to be shopping for a good deal. Well, look no further. This machine, the Nakamura WT152, currently in stock and on special offer. So for first class leading machine tool innovations, whether it be wire cutting, milling, turning, EDM machining, it's all here at the Engineering Technology Group in their new showroom in Wellesbourne.